Yeah, hello scrappers. It's Friday afternoon. Got in with my third load of barrels. I picked up 2 loads Wednesday, and then I had my wife had a doctor appointment. My daughter had an appointment, so I didn't get to haul any yesterday. But I hauled 2 loads yesterday, or Wednesday, 55 barrels per load. So I've already pulled a couple out of there and cut the tops out for burn barrels. So saw an ad on Marketplace for, the guy said approximately 250 barrels. Said $1 a piece or take them all for 150. So I went down, paid him 150. Now that first row's got 9 in it, the second row's got 9 on the, and then I got 10 on the last 3, 10 apiece in the last 3 rows. So there's 3, 4, and 3, so that's 10 barrels. White ones are a little heavier gauge steel, so they're a little heavier, so I put them on the bottom. And then he had these open top drums for 5 apiece, so I bought 6 of them from him this morning. And these sell for like 20 bucks a piece, and I don't even have to do anything to them. So I'll unload those up by the well house. So I'm going to set this up in the tripod and start loosening straps and get this thing unstrapped and start unloading it. I'll probably speed it up, the unload part, so it doesn't bore you guys to tears. So we'll see you in a bit. Well, scrappers, there's roughly about 160 barrels right there. I got two I set off to the side right there, pretty dented up. Big dent on one side. I might be able to get in there once I cut the top out, get in there with the hydraulic jack and maybe push that dent out. So, peanut butter. Down here rolling around. But before COVID hit, I was selling these things pretty good. I think he's just cleaning himself down there. I was selling these things for $15 a piece and 2 for $25 for burn barrels. And I was selling quite a few of them. And at that time I was going down buying them from a different guy in Duncan. I think he was getting them from this company. But I was paying, the first load I paid $7 a piece for. And then after that, since I was getting so many, he lowered the price for me down to $5. So I was buying quite a few off him. And he had the open tops for 10 a piece. So yeah, after I went down to this company, I thought, I bet this is where he was getting them. And sure enough, I got these for 5 a piece, so I could see he was doubling his money, and he only lived maybe a mile or so from where this place is at, so didn't take him long to go get a load. But normally these open tops sell for 20 a piece, so I'll start a stack out there and I'll get some pictures of them tomorrow, get them posted on Marketplace, and hopefully get a picture of some of these cut open. And get the burn barrel ad going. You want to ride, peanut butter? Huh? You're getting fat. Yeah, you're getting fat. Which I like them fat when the cold weather comes in. Yeah, you like your belly rubbed, don't you? He's not spoiled at all. Not at all. Okay, I'm gonna pull up to by the well house and unload these and show you the little pile I got up there so far. Which a few of the barrels are what I had up there before. Some from back before COVID. When COVID hit, I quit selling them for a while. I've sold a few since then, but not many. So. Okay, truck is unloaded. Yep, trailer's empty, ready for tomorrow. Yeah, I got about 10 barrels up here. The top's cut out. You can see the rusty ones down there, ones I've had around for a while. And then over here I got the 6 that I just took out of the truck, 6 open tops. I sold a lot of trash barrels before COVID hit, and every now and then I get somebody wanting these open tops with the lids and rings, so thought I'd get some and we'll go from here. So I should probably stack them in a pyramid, but and then get the picture of them, but might make a better picture. But this will work for now, I guess. And try to add some more to this. I don't really want to go over 3 high. I could stack them 4 high easily, but once get some of the Oklahoma winds around here, and I'll be stacking them again. So after I round them up from everywhere in the yard, so I figure 3 high is plenty. I think I can get, going 3 high, I'll get 16 in a stack, so I might make 2 stacks. I got board long enough there, so get about 32 cut out. Have them ready to go. So, but got to keep up with the scrapping too. So, yeah, this will just kind of be in between, extra cash flow. And if you guys have got some acreage and you just look on Marketplace, you can find some good deals on barrels. And I'll just use the air chisel to cut the tops out. Cuts pretty good, pretty fast. Not super fast, but not bad. Yeah. And I got a little bit of the chemical in there, so I drained that out. You can still see just a little bit down in there. But that should dry up and harden. So I got one that might be that one right there. Had some stuff hardened in the bottom. I think what I need to do is pull the bungs out and take a look inside. If I got some hardened in the bottom, then cut the bottom out. That way it's not in there. I don't know how hazardous that stuff would be, you know, for the first burn when you burn it out of there, but sure wouldn't want to breathe it. And I'll tell the people that too. I said, you know, the first burn, make sure you're upwind. I'm not sure how hazardous that stuff would be. I'm not sure if any of these labels are actually good enough to read. That one's not too bad, I don't think. But it's just that spray foam stuff, so. Okay, I think that's about it. Hey, Peanut Butter followed me up here. So, told him I'm giving him some more mouse habitat. So I want to thank everybody for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, give it a thumbs up, and I'll try to show that bit I'm using later. Maybe cut the top out of one on a video or something, and show you how I do it. Anyway, we'll see you guys next video. So today, as I'm recording this, is December 1st, 2023. So getting close to the Christmas. Turkey day is over. So, oh yeah, I got these two barrels here. I think these had some of that stuff on the bottom, about 2 inches worth, so I cut the bottoms out, and I cut the, this one here was an open top, the way that's rounded off. But this one here, I cut both ends out. And I think these would be ideal for if you want to burn out a stump, tree stump or something. Just set that over it and throw your trash in there and burn it. So I thought I'd leave a little walkway here, but between the, you know, the well house and this row of barrels. So anyway, there it is so far. So we'll see you guys in the next video. You take care and happy scrapping.